You're kind of about it. Hi, YouTube. This is our Nerf Gun War team here. I'm Matthew. And
I'm Nathan. I'm Jason. I'm Jesse.
About to answer a text message. And those are the two shotgun Nerf guns we'll be using in these ordeals we were about to have. Whoa! That Nathan has acquired from Walmart.
That was McDonald's. Oh, I'm sorry.
I was from Walmart. He told me today. But yes, I hope you enjoy these ordeals because there is going to be 8 battles here tonight between us. 16. 4 times 4 is 16. Sorry about that, YouTube. I'm bad at math. But yes, hope you enjoy these ordeals and leave some nice comments or whatever. Comments are appreciated. Bad or good, don't really matter. Just put the gun away, Jesse. You're not having our boys yet. Put it away. Put it away. But yes, thank you for watching, YouTube.
Is that serious? No. I'm not serious. My arm.
Jesse, I'm ordering more boys.
I'm gonna do my pocket. Corn slipping out, motherfuckers. Yeah. Oh, fuck. It ain't right there. No, it ain't. Ah! What? Oh my God, didn't you?
Did you get him?
No. You grabbed my gun, it's still in here.
No, it's not. Got you in the back.
I got you in the back. I'm not.
Go. Yeah, go. Oh, no, there, Jesse wins. Go! Okay. Did you get him?
I missed him. You guys both then. I call that a tie.
Do dramatic death. Dramatic death now. Do it.
Go, Matt. Wow, both yours missing. You're up the quicker and loading, baby. That made me laugh. Oh, I'm dead. You hit me right here. Yeah, you're dead, man. I saw it hit your stomach. No, it didn't hit me. Did it hit him?
I don't know. I can't tell.
Alright, just keep going, though.
Jason.
Got it. Oh! You're dead. Nathan won.
Go.
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 And move the camera, dude.
Okay, good.
Wait for that. Oh, my.
What?
Just restarted. I'll talk to you in pieces.
Oh!
Get out of the way, dude.
Oh, dude.
Oh.
Even though I got shot at the end.
You got shot by a zombie.